Today, take a look at the Easy Clamp Heavy Duty Folding Work Table. So we do got a little bit of warning there about pinch hazards. Obviously you don't want to put your fingers inside the hinges. So here we've got our instructions. It says that can handle 500 pounds. As a Sawhorse, it can handle 1,000 pounds. The max weight capacity for the tool tray is 20 pounds. Dimensions are 31 by 25 inches for the work table. Max clamping span of 29.5 inches. Max working height of 35 inches and a total weight of 32 pounds. So here we've got our bar clamps. This is one of the nicest feeling bar clamps I've ever seen. So we do got some nice rubber grips right here on the handles. We got some rubber pads here on the jaws. We have our release button right here. And then all we got to do is pull it to clamp that down. We have a quick release button if we want to pop that head off. And this is our 12-inch clamp. So we got two of those. We have our dogs. It's very interesting to see one that is actually a 2-pin dog. That is very unusual, but all these are going to do is drop right in those dog holes. That's got a very smooth feel to it as well. That is nice. So it's saying if we want to quickly deploy it, all we got to do is stand on those little feet there on the bottom, and then we just pull the whole thing up. So all that would do is grab these guys and stretch them out. That's actually pretty handy. Got a pretty good length on there as well. Those are metal legs. We've got a little hook here on the side, so that is going to pop out. Yep, we got one on the other side as well, and then we can unfold the top. So here are our small clamps. Okay, and it looks like the same design. We got our little release right there, and we just grab that and squeeze it to clamp. Got a press release. Those heads easily pop off. So go ahead and flip this guy up. And it's nice to see that it is balanced enough that even though I have those legs closed, it's not going to immediately fall over. So right here we do have our metric gauge that is actually zeroed in the center. So you go from 0 up to 380 millimeters on both sides. Then we got our inches gauge on the top that goes from 0 up to 15 inches. And that is graduated in the 1/8 of an inch. So you got this bar, which is going to pull out. And then we got a little push button right here. And that bar will drop in, and that will hold it in place. We got this little squeeze lever right here, so that is going to allow us to retract the leg. Okay, so it looks like we do have to do both at the same time. It's actually good, so we're not going to accidentally pull one in and let this table fall. So squeeze that, and we can drop that guy down. Yeah, that is a very nice design. So this is our support. This is also going to double as a tool holder. This is something I have never seen on a bar clamp before, but you can kind of see how we've got kind of like a dovetail right there. So with that, we're actually going to be able to interlock two bar clamps together. That is pretty amazing. Very neat. Never seen anything like that before. But we can also take that little hook, we can stick that underneath that hook, and then we can clamp that into the other side. So even when we fold this guy up, we're going to have all our tools right there in place. That's very cool. We got one for that side, and we got one for this side. Now it looks like we also got a spot for our dogs. That is pretty fancy. So I was under the impression this was plastic, but this is actually also metal. So that is steel, that is aluminum, and it looks like there is a plastic guide to keep them from scraping on each other. So I was expecting there to be some flex in here, but this is actually pretty darn solid. So we do have our inches and metric gauges here on both sides. This does make a pretty decent sized workbench. And of course, one of the cooler things, we can actually take this guy, pull our head off, send that guy out, and we can throw it in again, pull this pin out, and that will lock that in place. So that just has a pin that holds the end of the bar clamp. We can use our dog, and we can clamp material down at any point along that work table. That is pretty darn fancy. Basically, we got all the makings of a solid woodworking bench right here in this nice little portable package. Nice. So if we're gluing up, we can actually get, looks like about a 12.5-inch distance clamp force on there, so we can get nice even pressure along that area. About a 31 inches by 25 inches. We could even pull these guys out and use that as kind of like a makeshift fence. We can put some dogs in over here, and we can give ourselves a nice solid 90-degree angle. Or you can even flip these guys around and do the same thing with that. So yeah, A lot of possibilities with this little work table. That is actually surprisingly nice for a portable table. Most of the time, if you want to get this kind of functionality, you'd have to get a full-on homemade thing. Something like that is just going to be stationary sitting in your garage or your workshop. That is really nice. Now, of course, we can fold down those sides. We can use this as a sawhorse. So if you got 2 of those, you'd have a 1,000-pound capacity on your 2 sawhorses, so 500 pounds each. We got it unfolded like this. We got a full-on work table, and then, of course, just having the capacity to fold that thing completely down, throw that in a tight spot in the garage. That makes for a very nice workbench with a ton of utility. So overall, I'm very happy with that.